Good afternoon. Much drier for many parts of the country, I'm glad to say today. However, we still have several severe flood warnings out across the rivers in England, and there are more details on whether that affects you on our website, and we'll be keeping a close eye because already we've more rain to come this week. But as I say, the rest of today, it's mainly dry. We've got some spells of sunshine, albeit rather hazy in the west, because already we've got the next weather front starting to approach Northern Ireland. Just a few showers elsewhere though, and a lot of dry and bright weather if you can get out for the next couple of hours. It's not particularly warm despite the sunshine though, and that will be a trait of the weather this week. Temperatures will be below par. Not necessarily too much tonight because this takes centre stage. So again, with a strengthening wind and cloud and rain, we can expect it to be largely frost-free, but there are complications. Met Office have warnings out for more rain, even though it should move through quite quickly. But we also anticipate some snow temporarily across the Pennines, the southern uplands, but perhaps our first widespread snow event of the season across the hills of Scotland. Relatively low hills, 200 metres potentially, but north we think of the central lowlands, but we'll keep an eye on that because clearly it could cause some issues. Those strong winds will also blow that snow around. And so with the strong wind and all the cloud and some rain, temperatures generally away from the snowy areas should stay above freezing, but quite a brisk wind to start tomorrow morning for the rush hour across southern areas as well with that rain. So pretty miserable conditions for driving in, lots of spray and standing water. And even once that rain clears away, and it'll take a time, and as I say, there is a warning out for those areas very sensitive to extra rainfall, northern parts of England, that it'll still linger that rain across the Northern Isles with strong winds here. And then we're not exactly dry, and any more rain will exacerbate the situation. We've got showers coming in thick and fast, wintry over the hills with some hail and thunder in there. That wind will be pretty strong as well, so that will make it feel colder than 7 to 10 degrees would otherwise suggest. And those temperatures are below where they should be for this time of year. Now the warning continues for Tuesday, again in those areas sensitive to the effects of more rain. But as you can see, we've still got that northwesterly wind bringing in showers or longer spells of rain, some hill snow as well. So it continues to feel pretty chilly by day. We will see an easing in the rain and showers further west late in the day on Tuesday, and that's ahead of a little ridge of high pressure midweek. Again, a brief respite in the rain. It does mean a cold start, fairly widespread frost, possibly the coldest night of the week as we go into the start of Wednesday. But again, we don't need to get far into Wednesday before we start to see the next band of rain coming into the southwest. And again, there's a lot of uncertainty regarding this system. Even in the sunshine, you can see 4 to 7 degrees are high. So this area of low pressure at the moment looks set to dive towards the south of the UK, but it leaves its weather fronts trailing across central areas. So initially it could fall as snow over the higher ground in particular, but it could become a slow moving feature across central parts of the UK. Again, those areas where we've already seen very significant effects because of the rainfall we've received in the last week or two. So again, there are warnings out from the Met Office for Thursday for those particular areas. Come Friday, hopefully that rain band will start to drag away southwards, allowing drier weather to move in, certainly to the north. But really for the week ahead, it does look as if we've got more rain at times. There are warnings in force. Those are also on our website. It will be chilly, nighttime frost mostly in the north, and often windy as well. Do stay tuned. Bye-bye.